How to fix Microsoft Office 2016 installation error. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Task Scheduler. So go to Start menu and type Task Scheduler. Double tap on the application name. There in Task Scheduler, simply search for Office. You will find it in the Microsoft. Right-click on it and choose the option of Delete Folder. After that, again go to Start menu, go to Registry Editor, go to Microsoft, search for Office, and here to right-click on it and from the menu click on Delete. After that, restart your device. Now, simply try to install the package of Office again and you will see that the problem has been fixed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.